All right, my beautiful people, we're back at the Vineyard. We're going to be playing with some new toys today. Tomorrow, the big toys get here. I'm excited to show you that. We're going to be doing starting the construction on the dome, our glass house, and our barn conversion. That's all going to start tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But right now, we're going to be playing with some of these toys. Today, we're going to be flying the drone. If you can see, those are the new e-bikes that came in. We're gonna ride the trails with the e-bikes. Out there, we have my brother and my son at the range. Now the range is not going to be for guests, but we will be setting up along this ridge line here. We will be setting up archery targets. We have some, I think 4 sets of bow and arrows, 4 sets of crossbows. That'll be for guests. But right now, I'm just going to be playing with the drone, recording myself and my son riding the trails with the new e-bikes. See how they perform. Alright guys, we're out here. Brian is practicing with the drone. We're gonna get ready to test out the e-bikes on our trail. Let's see, there's the drone. And let's see if Brian can pilot and keep it above me. we are clearing the path. Like I said, after the hurricane, we got destroyed. You can see all the down trees. So I need to clear out my trails and then create some new ones. So far, this is what we did, but I just need to cut more trees. All right, this humongous tree fell right on my trail. That's one path, and then this is the other one. So that tree down there is what I am cutting right now.